Probably get one of your ankles, not just straight
Oh, looks like Grandpa might be down the slide.
What?
Turn the water on. Sandra, turn the water on.
Okay.
Oh, Morgan, back up a smidge. See if you can.
Dad, you can open the gate.
What did you hit?
If I go down, Marquise, you gotta go.
Right, Marquise?
You gotta lay me in?
I went down.
Am I good?
Did you go down?
Yes.
I didn't get to see you. You have to do it again.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, Grandpa.
Connie, you guys okay? Yes. Let's do it. Let's see it, Grandpa. Tanya, how'd you get stuck with baby dude? Are you injured?
I think it still hurts just like it did last time.
That hurts for adults.
It didn't change.